to get up.
Hello and welcome back to the third lesson on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So in the previous lesson we covered on how to solve the first layer of the cube, which you should be doing quite easily now. So today we are going to solve the second layer of the cube, which is very challenging, especially if you have not gotten the hang of turning the cube properly. You might get messed up at certain parts, but don't worry, I'll try my best to put you in the right track. So now flip your cube so that green is facing the bottom and the blue centerpiece is facing the top. Now try to find the orange and white piece or any other edge piece which belongs to the second layer. So I found the orange and white piece and I'll move it such that it's matched with one of the colors. Since orange is facing me, I'll bring it to the orange centerpiece. So for this case, the matched piece is on the left, so we have to do this algorithm. Turn the cube such that orange is facing you, or that color which you have to match. So do this algorithm. U R U I R I U I F I U F. And if you have done the algorithm correctly, you can see that you have matched the second layer properly. So now we will look for another case, such as this. The matched color is on the right, but still keep the face on the left facing you. And if this is on the right, the match piece is on the right, you have to do another algorithm. So repeat after what I do. Follow what I do. UI Fi U F U R U I R I, and we've successfully matched this piece. So we have two pieces left, but I'm sure you can do them by yourself. And I just want to show you a unique rare case which I doubt you'll run into on your first attempt to solve this. So after you solve all the edge pieces except this one, and you see that this is actually correctly matched, just that it's flipped the wrong way, just do any algorithm that you're comfortable with. Any of the two algorithms which I just taught you to bring the piece out. And once you have brought the piece out, you can just solve it like normal. So do the same thing and you've solved the second layer successfully. So I hope you are getting the hang of turning the cube and solving it and finding your own comfortable position in holding the cube. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and look out for the next video where we'll be finally solving the last layer and completing our solve. So thanks for watching.